guys, welcome back to another Med in a Minute. In today's video we'll be doing something different. We're looking at oral sex and if it is safe. So what are some of the benefits? What are the risks? So if you've seen the video on 10 reasons why you should have sex, then some of these benefits are going to come back. All right, so for oral sex, it is sex, so the same benefits apply. So decrease stress, reduce insomnia, decrease physical pain, increase your self-esteem, and improve immunity to disease. So now we're going to look on what are some of the risks. Now in terms of zero risk, there are no risk if you're receiving oral sex, you have good oral hygiene, and there is a low viral load in the person. All right, so high risk comes when you have like cuts in your mouth. I'm sure you've heard that before. This is important for viruses transmission and also bacteria. If you have bleeding gum and the person has a high viral load. So in terms of STDs, yes, STDs can be transmitted through oral sex. HIV, as I say, if you have a bleeding gum, it can be transmitted. Hepatitis, also herpes simplex virus. So if the person has herpes and they have like sores around their mouth, you can get genital herpes. Gonorrhea, syphilis, and other common STDs can also be transmitted via oral sex. So that's it for this video. See you in the next one. Goodbye.